Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can mute your Zoom meetings. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now to mute your Zoom meeting, firstly open your Zoom application. It will take you to the home page of Zoom application. Here, you can either start a new meeting or join a meeting. After you enter in a Zoom meeting, to mute a Zoom meeting, click on Mute option shown on the bottom of the page. You can also stop your video by clicking on Stop Video option. You can easily mute your Zoom meeting by clicking on Mute option. This is how you can mute your Zoom meetings quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.